Okay. Oh, yeah. Such a lovely night. Got the blaster. Oy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let me see this. Come on. Like that. There we go. That'll work. Yeah, I gotta hit that. Hit the nuts. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, right. Hit that nut over there. Shit is nuts. Oh, cold as fuck. Get it over there. Let that sit. Nice. There we go. It's just so I can loosen my nuts. It ain't too bad. I think this car's putting out some heat, but the exhaust is leaking from up there, and yeah, I just need to tighten them bolts and then go back that way. I gotta go. Fucking shit I do, man. What the fuck? Crazy. I have to go all the way back in the, yeah. God. Actually, not as cold as I thought it would be. Fuck. Ow. Damn, chest still hurts. Anyway, get this thing together. Nice. Yeah, boom.